Hey guys, I am Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you Monopoly Go airplane mode tips new strategy in 2024. So let's get started. So here we are in our iPhone and we'll just load up Monopoly Go right here. And from here, what we're gonna do is that first is you need to connect your account into your Facebook. So make sure that it's connected so that you would have your progress saved right here. So tap on manage account and make sure that it is connected to either Apple, Facebook, or however you'd want it to be. Just make sure that it's connected so that it would be saved. Once you're done with that, then from here is that you can set your dice, the multiplier of dice, to the highest value. But in my case, since I am low level with this account, I cannot actually set it into the multiplier. So I'm just gonna press go on this one. And yeah, so once you have set your multiplier, is that first you want to turn on airplane mode right there so that there would now be no internet connection. So once you're done with that, you want to tap on go and roll the dice right here. And then if you like the result, then what you want to do is you want to turn off the airplane mode and let the internet back in. But if it is a bad square or if you don't like the result, then what you can do is that you can just keep rolling. And then yeah, just proceed. And once you're done with all of this and now you want to save your progress because you're happy with your square, then what you can do is that you will now be turning off the airplane mode and let the internet get back in so that your progress will be saved. And then after that, you would need to uninstall Monopoly Go and reinstall it again if you are on iOS. But if you're in Android, all you have to do is clear the data and clear the cache, and it should work just fine. So since I'm in iOS, I should be deleting this and then reinstall it here in our App Store. And then once you're done with that, you can open Monopoly Go again on your account and you can see that it is now being saved. So that is basically how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.